Hello, Nakshi. So today, may unbox tayo na super soft, ano yun, slow and mindful era natin. So, these are actually called comfort cards. Get to know you edition from Bakas Collective. Buksan lang natin. Buksan ko lang. Diba yun? Ayun. So, basically, card siya na may mga tanong na hindi minamadali sagutin, and so, tanong na papaupuin ka, ayan. Tapos, mga tanong na dapat, yung hindi mo minamadali yung sagot, yung pinapakiramdaman mo muna, pwede siya sa mga friends, family, or for yourself. So, hindi siya tarot, hindi siya yung maghuhulahan kayo, hindi. It's more on check in with yourself kind of chika. And so, mga questions like, mahal mo o mahal ako, mga ganyan. So, kamusta ka ba lately? Mga ganyang na tanong. So, yan. Comfort cards, get to know you. This is in English. So, some prompts can trigger different kinds of emotion. Whatever you will feel, it's valid. Important, if you're experiencing a crisis, please seek help from a mental health professional. This product is not substitute for therapy. Diba may ganun? And a care package for your mind from, ayan lang siya. So, ayun lang naman. Because if you want to join the community, may QR code. And for genuine bonds, authentic connections, and meaningful talks. Ayan, may mga eme-eme, may mga keneso siya dyan. So, of course, this is where it gets exciting. Char, pa-English tayo. So, gagamitin ko kasi siya sa Mindful Crochet series ko. So, habang nagko-crochet tayo, slow hands, steady breathing. Bubunot lang ako ng isang card, tapos sasagutin ko yun habang nagaganchi. At the same time, kayo rin, sagutin nyo din siya in your own way. So, again, wala namang tama o mali sa mga sagot natin kasi feelings naman natin nun. Kung hindi mo kailangang, pag hindi kailangan na super deep naman, kung hindi nyo kaya, hindi rin kailangan perfect, dapat at least, diba? Mapag-isipan nyo lang siya. This is our space to slow down, to listen to ourselves, so para maramdaman na okay lang magpahinga, kahit habang may ginagawa. Ayan siya. So, okay naman yung card. Medyo matigas. Blue, as you can see. So, kunyari, itong first question. Kunyari lang naman. What generation do you think had it best? Your nostalgia for times you didn't live through speaks to freedoms you wish you had. Each generation trades something precious for something new. So, ano yung generation na, most of us siguro is high school, ganyan. Tapos, bakit? Magaling. Tapos, ito pa ibang tanong. What do you do with your alone time? So, me, to start this, pag alone time ko, it's either I sleep or I crochet. Ayan siya. So, ayan, this is the Comfort Cards by Bakas Collective. So, if you're interested, I can put the link sa comment. And yeah, you'll be using this sa ating crochet kineso with ito. Ayan lang siya. So, again, hindi to kulang, chika lang. Bye!